story of transport. There was a time when oceans were considered as the limits of this world. But, today we can even cross an ocean easily boarding into a ship. If you think ships are a bit slower, then we have airplanes to travel at a very high speed. Now think of a situation where there is no transport in the world. Woo! We can't even imagine our life without transport. But have you ever thought how people used to manage when there were no transports, or when was the first transport started, or what was it? We will get all our answers in our today's video, The Story of Transport. Did you notice the words vehicle, aircraft or ship? Do these words give any idea about the modes of transport? Correct. The modes of transport are actually of three types: land, water and air. But what exactly is transport? Transport is defined as a system to carry people or goods from one place to another by means of a vehicle, aircraft, or ship. If these are the modes, then what is the difference between modes and media of transport? Mode is the means by which we are traveling, and media is the channel through which we are traveling. For example, if you are traveling in a car, then car is the mode and road, that is, land is the medium of transport. Let us now go through the interesting story of the transport. Starting with the land transport, it is assumed that early man did not have any means of transport. They used to walk and carry goods on their back. With the passage of time, they started using animals for transportation. They used to put the goods on the animals' back and walk with them. With the advancement of the civilizations, they started riding animals either directly or in the form of chariots. For water transport, boats were used since ancient time. Initially, boats were simple logs of wood with a hollow cavity. With time, people learned to give shapes to the boats by putting different pieces of wood together. For better stability of boats in water, their shapes were copied from the shapes of water animals like fish. But the greatest invention in the history of transportation is the invention of the wheel. Of course, it was not perfect since the beginning. It took over thousands of years to improve the design of the wheel and transform it how it looks today. Animals, boats and ships were the only means of transport till the beginning of the 19th century. Then, came the next milestone in the history of transport, the invention of the steam engine. The steam engine, putting together with carriages and wagons, were used to carry people and goods. For movement of steam engine-driven carriages and wagons, railroads were made. Thereafter, automobiles were invented. Motor cars, trucks and buses are some examples of automobiles. Talking about water transport, rowing boats were advanced to motorized boats and ships. But maybe the famous proverb "skies are the limits, my friend," got its true meaning in the early years of 1900 when airplanes were developed. The designs of airplanes were later improved to carry passengers and goods. The advancing technology is continuously advancing the means of transport as well. If we see what we have achieved in 20th century, then we will find the electric trains, monorails, supersonic airplanes and spacecraft as the contribution of technology in the field of transport. So, today we saw the different stages of evolution in the history of transport.